guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Margaretta, aka the Maggie in your stew. The Maggie in your stew. I should come up with like a soundtrack for that because it's lit, you know what I'm saying? It's lit. Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl Margaretta. I'm so happy to be back. I'm back home from school now. I moved my stuff from school, and I just wanted to let you guys know that 2 years of living on campus was great and all, but it's very expensive. So I decided to commute. Yeah, that was besides the point. We're here today because I want to show y'all how I do my eyebrows. So anytime I put makeup on and I go out, people are always like, oh my gosh, your eyebrows look so good. They look so natural. They look so this, so that. And I'm like, oh, well, thank you. Gee, thanks. I'm going to try to film record as quickly as possible. Try to show you guys how I do my eyebrows, the products I use, and just what's convenient for me, because I know most people do their eyebrows first before they put foundation on. Most people do it the other way around. I don't really care. I do it either way because, I'm good like that. JK. It depends, honestly. If I'm in a rush, I'll probably do my foundation first and then, go back in and do my eyebrows. The only thing I don't like about doing that is because most of the time when I do my foundation first, I get too lazy to go back in and do my brows. Maybe it's just me, but that's how I feel. Once I have my foundation sitting on my face, going back to my brows, I'm just like, too lazy. I'm gonna do my brows first because this is what the tutorial is about. How I do my eyebrows. Come on, let's go. Let's get it. First of all, what I do is I grab a spoolie and I just kind of like, so my brows aren't done right now, so they look a little too thick. But what I like to do is I like to brush it out, not in. I like to brush it out so that I know what shape I want to get and how natural I want it to look. And honestly, depending on what look I'm going for, I could just put on my foundation and brush my eyebrows out and not even fill it in or anything, because I thank God I'm just blessed with like brows and I don't really have to like thicken it or darken it or anything like that. Like it just works. And most of the time when I'm too lazy, I just put on foundation and I head out. Okay, so first step, spoolie, brush out your brow. I'm using this brow pencil. I got this from a beauty supply store. You can get it from any beauty supply store, really. It's the Kiss brand, color KWEP04. You don't have to get this exact one. I just go by the color here. Whatever is like a little bit darker than your original brows, that's what I just go with. I did have a time where all the brow pencil I got was either too light or too dark. I got this brow pencil from the beauty supply store as well, but my guy, just take a look at this. Even if I write it on my face, bro, there's nothing coming out. How was I supposed to use this again? Anybody? But anyway, you will have some cases where you have to do like trial and error. And it happens to me a lot. It will happen to you a lot with makeup, but you just gotta be patient with it, So that I need to throw out because I don't even use it. You want to have a sharpened pencil. It just makes things easier for you. Unless you just like to do work unnecessarily, then go ahead. What I'm gonna do now is line my brows. So I like to start downwards. I like to start from the bottom. So yeah, I just start from the bottom and lightly go according to the way my brows are set. So if you notice, I didn't come this way, right? Because I don't want it to be that low. I want it to be high. So if you notice already, it's already structured a little bit high. So I just start from the bottom and work my way up like so. Then I go in to the bottom, to the top, and I just line the top. Sometimes if I want to go crazy and go stupid, I'll make an arc, but it doesn't always work that well for me. Because sometimes I go too crazy and I go too stupid and it just looks weird. So I just go according to what I already have and I just line it. And one thing with me, and when I do my makeup, most of the time one side looks better than the other, and it's always this side looking better than this side. I don't know, I went to one eyebrow lady that wasn't my eyebrow lady, so she messed up this brow and did this one really well, so now, you know, permanently stuck with it. But anyway, Shasha, when you do the top, yeah, when you do the top like that, what you want to do is now fill in the rest of it. But what I don't do that makes my brows look very, very natural, I don't fill the top part. And I will tell you why later on. I don't fill the top part. I just fill in the inside. And I just make a little tip for the brow. And this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to do the same thing to the other brow. Go in with my concealer. This concealer I've been using since I started getting into makeup, and I haven't really used anything else. I mean, like, I've tried the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, but I only use this for my under eye. I don't use this for my brows. I've tried the NARS concealer, but this I also don't use for my brows because it's very, very bright. I use for my under eye. If I want to look very, very bright, I just use this over whatever concealer I used before. And this is in Fawn. I use Fawn for my brows. I use Fawn for my under eye. I use Fawn for my eyelids before I do like eyeshadow or whatever. I use Fawn because I'm a fun gal. Okay, so I go in with this. I put a little bit on my brush, like that much. So I'm gonna start from the top. This is why I don't like to start filling in from the top, because I go back in with my spoolie, and in order to get that final finish natural look for my brows, I like to brush this part in because it just gives it a nice natural look. So think about it like this. If you start, and you can just tell the difference, you know, after I brush it in. The thing is, if you start filling your eyebrows in from the beginning and you want to go back in with the spoolie to make it look natural, you end up looking crazy and you end up having to do more work than you need to do. So what you want to do is you want to start from here, work your way down, start from here, work your way down, and fill it in from right there and work your way down. And then when you're done cleaning it up, you want to just do that. Do you see what I mean? Do you see what I'm talking about? Looks right, but what you want to do is, if you're not gonna do an eyeshadow look or anything, like if you're not gonna go crazy with your brows, you just want to blend everything in so that you're obviously not looking crazy, you feel? I'm back now and I finished doing my makeup. So yeah, this is the finished product of how my brows look like. I don't know if I'm feeling this lip right now, but yeah, this is what it looks like. This is how my brows look like. If you can tell, this is kind of thicker than this one. This relates to what I told you guys before. This side is always better than this. This is what it looks like. If you guys liked it, let me know in the comment section what you think. I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great weekend. I hope you guys have fun, enjoy whatever it is you're doing. God bless you. Remember that you are loved by God, okay? And by a lot of people too. Bye.